The seal of God and mark of the beast, part 1. Ose onyankopon nso ano ne aboa no aginaye ofa edikan. Abusiafo na woche asanko apro abeto yembion. Kota emu nyinara ye ne wo esia abofo miensa enkransem no. Na woche mu no yaduru adesua etoso edubako. Ye de emu pensem mu no ebrɛ mu sesia. Omonye abuane ejinaye
dem abotan no kama asem ye de ye dle pintin
senyo how na drew adwuma minya na ogidie se nyamba man bi good ene ye gidie wo nyame
back solution no say ye de ye ho be hyase atwe Yesu Kristo so samri ye be ma munyina akwaba omande hye adofo no mo atiefo ne ahwefo mo a mo ben yen ene mo a mo achichiri nyinara yede enchia esronko ede emamu nyinara ye fanya sa akonya yisu nso adamu nyina ase se abrene abrebiara no mode mofidie ede to London Ghana memenda kwanhwefo Sabbath school na feature semu empensem onyankopon enhira munyinara se de biara da ye nemo eye sa adusua yi na me sa fa sa akonya yisu nso ada 3ABN TV Ghana ase se adwumakuo yi na omuboa ye ma ye yesa adusua ya omohwete ede ko wiase afana anyinara se ne de biara me kana sa adwumakuo yi eye ankronkro adwumakuo a wafa TV adwumade ato omso ne omo ya ne se yebo asem no dawura no omso omafa ede akọ wiase afana anyinara enam se omo nyem fam pesikanti eye ankronkra ntoboa kakra na oboa omo na omutimi dis adwuma yi enti se wutie yen na wo bibi kakra obepese wo de beboa 3ABN TV Ghana pacho ubemu se won number no eda yemfoni na nifa ofra obibaje wo so kakra bia obetimi bia boa biara no fa boa 3ABN onankopon ebe ehrawo maboafo no aye krado ewa hase omo beboa na afi yedi adesua yi empensem mu ede abremu mefa sa akonya iso na mayi omo ede akyeremu na afi bia yedi eti anu adesua enmu media musomfo Bismarck mensa ene yeho adom me wo openi Israel anai eka me ho ewo hase openi Israel ya mwakaba
that's me
great me that's say and then so yaton safra wo di odo abebo do musi emfa adisua yi emfam bre yen atifo me botra na me ko manimu elder Dr. Alice Collins Alpha ena eti eto enhano eda yemwakaba
yeah
great eda say and then so what me edi odo abebo do musi emfa adisua yi emfam bre yatifo ene yenchen hono ba bia obiara na hobrase mu katawani na mema openi Israel entu adisua no enhye obade nsa
yo yamampa yen nyame ayo sorry yeda wase aye yira be kamfo ye be yiwa ye osanda ese na fata inda subiem eye be hye mohanom de ye me pense mu nsam e pede e boy nyime bi nwa de kyerɛ hen ewe yimbre mu de obaye a ye bada ye ho do de obaye be siesie ye ho ama Yesu ne mbae otode bie no yesra wo dombo hen ka ye ho ne anyira Jesus within me yesra wa dominti amen
great no kwasam say last week ye share adusua na etoso edu or say Satan's final deception and I say obon samana da edi awieye in fact you say na da bibre na obon sam edi edada nipa emre ekona wie say onipa krampo wu na wunwuye deception or the shase we eden no samre wasa ashimukena yejitumpa se no abombodi anso se awewu abusiakuo ne amanyo amambre bia mu se omugidi se onipa wu a onye dai onwu ye otete emfichire enam saa ye so mo nam so ede ye niema bebre spiritism ene ade sanso nipa ejidi se uwa na wumu ya bra kwa twosam no so aka ne pefe se uwa na wo until the second coming no woda so hye bia wo hye na ye hu obonsam na da bebre abosonsom a o pese odane no na edi ba so refie na fe yesom abosumo onyankopon fe ni nyina last week hu wo sa adusian mo this week as part of the great controversy and say akunye kese a ekoso wo obonsam ne onyankopon entem no this week no ye toaso ne ahwe adusian etoso duru baako adusian na tifia asem no se onyankopon nso ano no ne aboa no nyira ya na se the seal of God and the mark of the beast part 1 of edikan na just say show of edikan this week na next week so ya hwe of etoso mienu no kwasam de say wo hwe trust mu na say adusian yesua ni nyina na efa awieye emre ensemiwe wo revelation emuno na yaba bedrum pempenso bia na say adusian no nyina na ne mbotaye nyina na say ekire nsonson ya eda wo ema onyankopon se ne oye adwuma ene se ne obonsan so eye adwuma e wo sa controversy eyimu na ni nyina so no ejina ne ma miensa so no kredie tumi ena afi wosom hwan na obedi no krama no hwan na obeji ne nchen tumi ena afi hwan na obesom no eno na sa disian we nyina nti eno na yafa emu fa baako a yepese ye hwe no sa na wotwi mu ye hwe womo a ombeji aboa na ginaye no omo ne hefo ena omo nyi aboa na ginaye no omo ne hefo aboa na ginaye no krampo no eno ne ade ben na characteristics ben ana se niema be ne be dadi ebefa onipa ho a ebe kire se onipa we no oje aboa na ginaye anase onipa we onje aboa na aginaye no na sa na ohwe mu ye pese ye hwe enka abosam no ye befa afri Revelation chapter 7 2 and 3 say na okano Revelation chapter 7 2 and 3 no or say then I saw another angel ascending from the east having the seal of the living God. And he cried out with a loud voice to the 4 angels to whom it was granted to harm the earth and the sea, saying, do not harm the earth, the sea, or the trees, till we have sealed the servant of our God on their foreheads. So share yen kasa numa. Or say, na mihunu abofo foforo a okro onyankopon a otiase no nso ano a ofiri owia pue reba. Na ode ne kese tia mu kire abofo baanan a wama won kwan se mon ha asase ana epo ana nua kosise yede agyinaye besisi nyankopon besisi yan nyankopon nkoa mono so amen and so this is yan ka bosama ye pese yede wura yen adisia enimunti ye komu no nyina no nka abosam no ho asem ebebamu na afi yatimi akasa ehu ye ni kan hwe adisia ne odi kan ede ama ye se yen kasa ho no ose boaseto a ejina pintin boaseto a ejina pintin na say steadfast endurance but ye call Revelation chapter 14 verse 12 asembi ewo Revelation chapter 14 verse 12 into Revelation chapter 14 verse 12 no or say here is the patience of the saints, here are those who keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Ahana hote for boas to wana woji onyankopon emra no so na okura Yesu Kristo ejidie. Yen hwa sasem ya Revelation ede maye in terms of say ye hwa omo wa boas to ejina ho pintin no. Eniema mienu ben ena edadi efa wo mo se ahana omo boas to ewo no.
Panyim da se. Yeshua can yesia na. Question le bisan. In fact, inye bien mu ade ba san wo. Nyeme ba san mu ho. Odin kan o se nyamemba eweyifo mma no. Nyamemba no. O se what than abotar edi.
That's right.
Na makomakra abotar edi na wodi emrasa no so do. Na wasan so wo Yesu ni jedi no wo bi. The first one now say wo abotare na onya abotare bi akeke. O sane say yakọ yeah Greek origin Greek explanation original in Fibene ye come deeper them abotano kan wasam ne ye there you gina painting him iti wo or how na mane nyima bebre all to here no you be gina painting or no yeah them abotano no kan wasam them go from obi and not today being ransom no the microphone would in ransom do one ka there ransom of board of san about ascendium one ka there adom intino metu makodo my bon my me na with them ransom did ma mpo the otodo anano would do okay and now we yesu ni jedi bi that's right one ka there we jedi we yesu mu also we yesu jedi no obi them jedi on my yesu amani hunu awfem mutumo ginai amafo wasrew no otumo ginai dem jedina mpo to the point all ko wum kra no otumo ginai no dem jesus dem ko fun so wo bi I need them characteristics a basa muhu what them microphone.
Thank you very much. Me that's great. Yes.
Medibi cardia opinion kano. Once what the catchrim say Luciano chre two groups aye siliomo onyankopon ma and obronsamo ma. And Revelation 12 verse 9 chre say or more one group aye onyankopon ma no or more identification and unia chre kama na say even Porsche how from how Bible na see a structure Revelation 14 verse 12 now or see here is the patience of the saints not the semicolon by now or explain what it means see a case a hotifo boasitoa as a trainer saying
that's right
na o chrim say enye ordinary abotre bia na o chiremu na we ya abotra ye didi onyankopon mra so nyina na ye san wo yesu gidie no moma menye no very practical ye ya Christopher ye nyina ye wo gidie wo nyame mo ye gidie wo nyame mo no eno na ema ye besum nyame eno na ema ye je Bible di eno na ema ye di nyame achi na most often a Christopher ye gidie wo nyame mo no ejina bosha onyankopon ahyehye o Bible no the promises enti obeka say oh me ogidie wo nyame mo enti sane me yare na sie duru bia me ogidie so onyambe sam yare sane me ma so odin duru bia so onyankopon beje me ma me sane ma ware ayese gije nyina minim so onyankopon ebe de ma ware besi ho sane o how na duru adwuma minya me ogidie se nyambe man bi good ene ye gidie wo nyame mo but the question is say it drew the other side sa promises na e Bible mo no you are not seeing the evidence say sa promises na ba obeto so akoragidie no mo ana
okay
so ko hospital near catchro your test near the results actual say results na chere say wo be wonti siesie ho obeto so enya gidie wo awurade mo ana say wo kopa adwuma bia obepa bia na yi wadi adwuma ye toaso the application kwa wunya application wunya we say obetoaso asom nyame ana waware collapse complete wagina gidie wo Bible mo no but the evidence na wo hu no contrary to the Bible obetoaso anya gidie na ana eno na all kase sa gidie na sa hotifo no wo no it goes beyond faith in Jesus to say yesu gidie na nkasa omukura bi yesu gidie na edru baby na suma buno edru baby na ase o feel separation from nature edru baby promises na odi ahye Bible mu nyina no onu hu edru baby he felt so alone say obi ani ho beba beje no but oto aso ejina mu no sagidie no wo bia na eno na adisua no kire ye say omo a omo wo Nyankopon side no omo wo hotrefo boaseto enye ordinary patient no ordinary gidie bi be yesu gidie ni bi na sa gidie no obeka say oh ekwan ben so ni yenya so me sorry anopa na gidie na ba na adesua no kire say eye nkakra we build it in nkakra enemre mu a otaye ne maaye say ye be separate omo ye onyankopon ma ne omo ye onyankopon ma no onyankopon nam kwan kakra so build ye odofo niaman kitten a onyankopon de baya kwam nyina no o de baya kwam se o de build ye gidie ebia wa ye adwuma wa ye late kwa adwuma uduru ho no na bibi ye o say dintro na fatete wo ho nanso na ne bi ka kire o say ginagidie mu na ka no kore say ehɔ no wo ginagidie mu ka no kore na now they are building your faith ebi adwuma a wo ye ene adwuma ba ko pa wo ye na adwuma ne se bra adwuma Saturday wo be gina ho enye gidie say Onyankopon na o ma adwuma me jai say adwuma na obema me adwuma enye Saturday ana.
That's right.
So when ti ma nyina mu a edru tama adwuma wo biase nyina ya hyemra so obi anya Saturday na obi gina mu ana.
That's right.
Nti niam nketenkete a yekoso nyina no Onyankopon dey build ye. So wo gina mu a then we be graduate every faith in Jesus. I call the faith of Jesus.
Great. Madam was a pass my the amaye maka the faith in Jesus. No, that was the next thing because near was say you yes Christ ni GDN at the same by young kind kakrabi send yes Christ da or no ni GDN now was 6 sound for no more no kakrabi ewo Matthew chapter 27 45 to 50 no bra no saying the answer. So now from the 6th hour until the 9th hour there was darkness over all the land, and about the 9th hour Jesus cried out with a loud voice saying, Eli Eli lama sabachthani, this is my God, why have you forsaken me? Some of those who stood there when they heard that said, this man is calling for Elijah. Immediately one of them ran and took a sponge, filled it with sour wine, and put it on the reed and offered it to him to drink. The rest said, let him alone, let us see if Elijah will come to save him. And Jesus cried out again with a loud voice and yielded up his spirit. Near all canwa Matthew chapter 27 45 to 15 in and say emre no ewie de no na Yesu Kristo sense senior so no otia mu e ka say Eli sabachthani na se chene say major aden na wa apaw me na woma na omwo ehon nyina say muntie afedi okon na nya ne kon otia mu afra Elijah. That was their interpretation. And he was you odumrika fast sponge sapo e de kobo bonyenemu e de ko say Jesus Christ ano say wo mfama na wonnom na afi wonja nonsense so ne yenhwe say Elijah betimi aba besave na was Jesus Christ etiam with a loud voice na afi ojai na home anymore. This is the kind of faith na mo ka say we nyina no wanjemu amidst the kind of nanka or every I say hey me na me ka say nka de me ba we de me ye bi. But young famra young kasa yasitramu, do you think say safit when yetimi da biadi ye de obi ka asem ba kokura mpo na na ya janya mesumi? Do you think say at this moment ye nyame so no sa gidie we no ye wo bi sa ana say ye kokko
the anna elder obodo akra there oya akra okay. At this moment, they be and demonstrate them, Jesus them to the point there would who can ano crana ebegina and I can't cry. I the bed drew be to them. Not on bapro on sorrow and back. You see, oh here oh ya kwem they Christopher yepim alcohol them destination, you know. They be them JZ no or you drew them and owu JZ. You benya them jezi no and in see you find share you with them nam that is no yel kodo no oba ba mu ye kakra ma ye hu e kwana e be for da benya them jezi no sisi ade bia ye hwe ho bia ye hu ye de ye obi de be ne kwa nya bi ba de no de yel kodo no mpe da me hru we ka gina nyim oba kire ma ye hu ha ye benya them jezi.
Okay, great. Yeah, to us share the next one now. What they might say, Richard near Yediano, the ungodly chain. And also, opposite ye share a BB, send a D kind a kind, and come share na ejina, abuano, ejina, no, enina, a ye, awesome, a bedroom and rebino. religious intolerance, like yem penema osumbi enkoso, and as a be shawama wasum osumbia, and yon yankopon some ebo abra, na fi a jadimu ensensem, say one yat niema bia, yem penema wundi. Eja na fe ota ene enema ebebre and a minim say onipa ebe become senior Revelation 13 a describe abuano nitumia or Greek. Share Revelation chapter 13 verse 15 to 17. Assembly ewo honomo of Revelation chapter 13 15 to 17 or say he was granted power to give breath to the image of the beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause as many as will not worship the image of the beast to be killed. He causes all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hands or on their foreheads, and that no one may buy or sell except one who has the mark of or the name of the beast on the number or the number of his name. Senior all can was saying so or say na o man to me so omfa ahome emma aboano aginaye na sa aboano aginaye no okasa na nyese okasa kekeu oma to me say obi biara onsom aboano na aginaye wonku no na afi so o say oma obi biara se wo yesikani se wo yehiani se wo de wo ho anasa wo ye akoa se wo beji abo na ginaye no ato wonsa nifa so anasa wo moma so na afi so se wo anye saa anasa wo forso se wo beji abo na ginaye no wo na wo betimi ato ene waton na wo a wunni abo na ginaye no wonya akwanya ntimi nto enton sana oche ewo sa akenkan semi eyimo. The question is, dear na mufi say mfoni be no twa kire yen wo mo omonye aboa na agina no or how be na hu mfoni no twa kire yen.
Yeah, I can say say akenkan some ni pa. Unfortunately no dodo wa yedi ye hu besi wonom de ye o Christopher amapa.
Yeah.
Or how pan or the name.
That's right.
Or how pan or the name. Na mo ocha yende dem abuano anade dem nhye no urban.
Yeah.
Or dem brabo to wonom.
That's right.
Or dem brabo to wonom oyem bra oye de ahina yes ye de hu siwo dem so me ye no de yezi do. Or dem brabo so de yenti dem bra no do. I want how ni na be fi haban. Na saying the member da intimate enton enzim banada ono trade or there wo ya kakade impoko drew points wonkwa betime fi wunsem.
That's right.
Na open the man do Christo ni adi wesi wono the member no how pa no leba yem bo biare hu.
Okay.
Na motin there aba kwan yezil face or how at them or yeah in whom na yezil ko ready to face or how another yedi ya hu mu tu Yesu do ne na dom na hoden ahye henzen ma yakoye na nyim.
That's right.
Ko da me ensami oye kokobosam all boy kokode e reba na wonder ho do and to dey siesie ye ho fit da me mberi ko yete da ho do ya mbenu dura ibitu ye gina no.
Amen. Me fa bin ka de menia Israel ka sane menia besma ko tradition no gina ensohyade mienu na ekoso onyankopon ehye ne ma nso na obronsam so hye ne ma nso na kites na ye kan ye de share dusuana se no eno eka kwan onyankopon fa so a o hye ne ma nso na sa o kan a o kire say the last part no o say till we have sealed the servants of our God on their forehead. Onyankopon ma no seal no enshaso no or the ohye ewo momuma so. But se wo ko now kind Revelation 13 na se ba 13 na aboa no so esili ne mana o sili omo wo two areas o sili omo wo momuma so na o san sili omo wo monsa so na obi baby say sa difference dey na gina homa on say your mind your conscience and a control it. And now onyankopon ye share the say ye tiase so onyankopon boy as free beings and now more don't say ope the attention of our mind but onyankopon fa force and or de eje osomno or ma or the odo ni free will no de maye enti so onyankopon share ne manso mo am ye onyankopon ma no kwan omofa so mu gina emo onyankopon ejina odoso if we say no onyankopon fa so e de show monso na so say ba the other side your bronsamuma adusua no Revelation 13 digina o ma aboa no the beast na or no ope wo mind no na osan pe wonsa because ye wayi bebre ka say fa wonsa ye adwuma eat from the labor of your hands wonsa ejina homa your economic power there a power a mawaduanidi enti ono say a basa or person na nyese only say obejina ho appeal to your conscience amwo hu say eni say wosum nyambe sell sum no or use force na force or use on economic force odi a mark no ebi ehye yensa eno na adisua no kire say Samri no yemfansie ho because a bedroom rebi beba na say drew ho na it won't make logical sense to worship God.
That's right.
So person from a logical point, from economic pointer, then it will make logical and economic sense to worship the beast.
That's right.
But a drew hona, the beti mamu jina amo nyankopon, eya woda uome nyankopon. Because a bit now, ye responsible adults, ye family, ye show mo. We have to work to be able to pay our mortgage, to be able to look after our children. Ni Hashem mra say obia say when ni sa mra we so say we lose job. Now kono akoka kire oyire say me pesa me sum nyankopon na it makes economic sense, it makes way sense say me lose my job na metima sum nyankopon. It doesn't make sense. The only thing na ebetima mu agina asum nyankopon that time no eye da wo ma nyankopon na adofo ha na mpesa me appeal to ye nyina say won say the esua ya about how Jesus the okom nyina na he felt those darkness but still not twas gina ya all can enduring faith gidia mapa abwase boasitwa a standard no eno be na see develop menyamesum I have witnessed situations people easily give up. I have witnessed pastors, elders, church members asem kitikiti bi etima omo bufu na omo give up on God. Asofo aye training osofo winning now small issue ose menya osofo ni biem. Asafo penyi asafo ba ose omo former sorry. Na se samre ye intima develop genuine love ama eradia. Through that time ni e hye samra no economic loss and the rest na e be very difficult no matter se ne wuje se woye Christonia mapano die ebe see you through that time no enye the economic or the logical way your love oda wo nyankopon.
Great, me that say dog, me that say pa. In fact, so we share COVID ne buy a crumple when there was a bit of a small food ration and a bit of a small you say yeah my own quarter and we are my own turn of the door like also to me and also because business so won't mean Tom can tray over to 2 pay won't me look at the kind of comments and now be crana shops no ya tutumu ye ma umba munia this kind of look at no crumple no share the kind of in some ye as ye Christopher and no crana your how can say am I so you can imagine a situation whereby say one J abuan ajinaya you won't even had opportunity say obeto and I say obetono how we going to survive on this say yan sha say samre am I any relationship with Christ no and ye pintia be very very difficult am I say a bit like dog okay you know. In fact, issue no crumple may not be with you. Only with you for crumbanya how. So one conform it to one a year now. What say or can say how are you going to explain to your wife say oh yeah the mrabia berjumamu they are forcing me say on the Sabbath, either I take it or I leave, and you are on a good salary on that job. No, I can't catch you. You say, oh. Meanwhile, we are very sure say more mortgage a mutia, more nkora more share, more and near my more ye edemonimu. No, I can't have some actually we say may jai because ye shame say me ye adibisa. You can see the kind of conflict when no crumple ebenya wofi. No crumple be discourages. No, I don't think say it is financially wise to stop. Because me pesa me som nyakopo so asem we na ye kan agidi for asem bia yentimi mfa ya nkasa ya honam emfa ni so enya betesa but solution no say ye de ye ho be hya ase atu Yesu Kristo so samri ye ne nkita mudie ne ebe ye strong wo mo betimi agina no nyina no it is not because omo ye extraordinary human beings no it is because say omo di omo ho ebe tu Yesu Kristo so to the point say omo duru ho na Yesu Kristo nankasa be yo mo ahoden no matimi de agina sa okono ano very very important but now let us move on to see the other aspect of addition or say those who follow the lamp no wo mo awum di adwama no achi no so yenhwe ne omo nso ne beto omo ene omo nso se ne chosem no nso eka omo ho asem wo Revelation chapter 13 1 and 2 no Revelation 13 1 and 2 no and also my description. So I say, then I stood on the sand of the sea, and I saw a beast rising up out of the sea, having 7 heads and 10 horns, and on his horns 10 crowns, and on his head a blasphemous name. Revelation chapter 13. 1 and 2 no say, and I stood upon the sand of the sea, and I saw a beast rise up out of the sea, having 7 heads and 10 horns, and upon his horns 10 crowns, and upon his heads the name of blasphemy. And the beast which I saw was like unto a leopard, and his feet were as the feet of the bear, and his mouth has as the mouth of a lion, and the dragon gave him his power and his seat and great authority. We need the same city no can aim na den kakra because beast na yaman to me na or the be hard in the won kasa nye ho great it yan show yenhwe sa beast we no foni be na o twatwere yen o say ohun say na abra and I stood upon the sand on the sea anuana wo epepo no so no na o say ohun say aboa no asore efri epono mu na owo 7 heads and 10 horns ni ti enkoa eye 7 na bembe no eye makumaku edu na upon his horns no 10 crowns or say the horns no crowns 10 and also upon his head the name of a blaspheme na fe friends say ni no anase ni tino so no edi ana e was no e ya chiwade and the beast which I saw was like unto or to say or the nigina homa sabe leopard or say and his feet were as the feet of a bear and also or the nigina homa sa aboa and his mouth as the mouth of a lion na no ejina ho ema etise jata and the dragon gave him his power or say no chiase no ema to me and his seat now the na konwa no so edman and great authority no man to me so edemfoni na o twache e wo hase no
na say yehwe eyi friend beast na o ka wasam na beast o hinyimpa o ye da trust me chirema yeta say the o ye tum another kingdom, another an empire.
That's right.
So a system be.
Oh, yeah.
Na system na them two no only one aba system match him in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Na them two no o say o pay free in sunumu I see.
Yeah.
Na Revelation chapter 17 verse 15 or chirema yehu o ka see na see ni gina mabade. O say see ni jama edom ku nyimpa bebre. Na nyimpa no mu and them two no pay free. Okay. Now them two no say okay ebusam. What could Busama on your body? Busami ye there, Ed's who be seen a mere name. Then Yami. Za Yaminkuto to Moyen, a bay one day, once it may yam to them, or your Busam. Or them 2 minutes, or the Minyame. Now, the 2 minutes also no influence pa. Oh, find a man for now. Or that's nasty for 1,260 years. Them 2 minutes, 1,260 years. And now, or trade, or say, no, when you come under when you deadly wound, war, number, no,
that's right.
Now, say you call friend, a member man. Them a prana open, in fact, or see. Say, even we are, or see, 1798.
That's right.
Them bring them, OC. One bra, 1,260 years, no, all Benny, I want to see. Now, additional, or second baby, that's right. I bet him, ever compare into them particular history, no, you become. Now, say, yes, share. The mention chima or little chimina, Nina of fit one ruby pe, or yet the Roman fence saying church paper church slash political system or fit them system because Abacosama or Abasino or trim you and see you ride them side of Adiciana, you better go into the Abacosam.
When you go Adiciana, yes, it's so beautiful, say. Bible say onyankopon enka onye bibia onyi na dinchire na difo na se uma kwan ma Bible ankasa chire Bible mu a ema niema e very very easy to understand. That's right. On say many abesmark say wo call baby fan say wo call baby for the first time na kasa ko hwe obi a unhu ni panda into the ben say be maw some marks identification marks so kwa e bia ni pan ye tenten e bia ni ti nwi apa e bia ene da obehia no no sha tade white obo tie red into kwa these are the marks na we look for.
That's right.
Into wura kwa hu obi ani tinwi apa but or share be a fugua enya sa nipa no so hu obi na ni tinwi apa or share coat black but tie obo no orange enya sa nipa no we look for the official all the way say marks no so nya ni nyina na chese sa nipa kro no na wo hwehwe no. That's right. Nia Israel church mu kama medical crack count no wo the let's stay with Revelation 1 and 2 no pen. Revelation 2 say Revelation 1 say beast BAP na sa beast no wonya power e free another authority.
Yes.
And no na Revelation 2 say power na wonya no wonya free authority be your friend or dragon.
Yes.
No be sound say Revelation ka dragon na why not the ejina ho amano. Enti yenhwe Revelation chapter 12 verse 9 oka said dragon no eyo bronsam. So here Revelation 20 verse 2 so osan ka said dragon no eyo bronsam. Now say Revelation 12 emaye great controversy no my 4 snapshots.
Yes.
One of the snapshots no we saw say say oba bi ewo akwala bi no wo akwala no ansa na oba wo akwala nkura na dragon no wo ho ready say owo akwala na no ide wachi akwala na kuno na Bible ne abakosem kire say emra ye wo Yesu no obronsam dragon no ye ejina omo obronsam no ofa Herod mu ema oye say Yesu ye wo na nkobe de obi kuno na Herod no ogina Roman amamu nso enti ye hu ewo just looking at Revelation 12 and 13 1 and 2 no say sa beast no we don't know the beast but the power no obenya every Roman kingdom.
That's right.
Na history so catch see ye share Daniel chapter 2 sa ohunyi na flow no history chere say political Rome and the authority no Emma Papa Rome.
That's right.
Emra Constantine be Christo ni and that kind of that transition no happen you know. And building in kakra my those identification no. Now say share Revelation 1 and 2 and then Revelation 14 verse 9 the third angel's message now or cancer sa beast no ebe demand the worship and this also tells us say is bringing it home say power be political Rome at the power be amma the next power. Now the next power no it demand the worship. Nti enye just an ordinary or a system something to do with religion or elicit say a man for worship on. And then so share Revelation 13 where or say or abususem blasphemy.
Yes.
Now Bible chiremu says you were a lot of Bible texts or chire say emra na we Pharisee for no Jew for no dream say yes Christo ye blasphemy because say or compare who to be God or the who see onyankopon ginabe enti to me bia obey say me onyankopon me de me who see onyankopon position no not to me no ye de or ye blasphemy. Now so share around all the system political room and hand over a man, we all know say it was Papa Rome. Now share all religious institution because or illicit worship. Religious institution omujina hoide omonse si omobo straight say omoye onyankopon representative on earth. E clear say e Papa Rome.
Right.
Now other force ye can say ya enye say ye time or ye time or some no. Ye can because onyankopon asem no na esi ye ka ekire moma hu onyankopon second angel asem o kan wo Revelation 14 verse 8 or say come out of it. Third angel Revelation 14:9 or say so be some sa bis na onyankopon abufo beba no so enti ye domo nye say ye tan obia onyankopon obia ye onyankopon ba nanso onyankopon asama oba ho ne say ewiemrem no onyankopon hyehyɛ eche ne mamu. There is no middle ground. You see that say obekɔ onyankopon side ne wasili ewo womoma so na onyankopon afɔ wadwen fi say great controversy in tawantawadi no adwen mu ne ye constant tokwa and as obeko aboa no side na onyankopon amma ye identification marker eboa ye me hu ba bia aboa no directional head na onyankopon asama all can say wote sa asem wo ya or say come out of it on kasa tenamu na reform no or say free system no fi say wotena sa system no mo a say na Revelation 14:9 e ka no onyankopon abufu ebeba so
yo medase doc medamase pa se mo bo addition wo sa kwan ye hwe ne di awie na fe yemfa nsore sa addition se ye hwe Yesu yentam gina for ba akopɛ no Jesus our only mediator addition do pese ye hwe Yesu yentam gina for ba akon and also what ye call Revelation chapter 13 4 and 5 no ye kan ebedru free no 4 and 5 no they social relation chapter 13 4 and 5 no per se no so you were identifying marks be a beast power no you be discover no sa friends verses anymore Revelation chapter 13 4 and 5 or say and they worship the dragon which gave power unto the beast and they worship the beast saying who is like unto the beast who is able to make war with him and there was given unto him a mouth speaking great things and blasphemies and power was given unto him to continue 42 months. I think that was what a friend said Israel now who allude to know. But on the more so we can kind John chapter 10 verse 33 said John chapter 10 verse 33 no assembly was say and Jesus answered saying for a good work we do not stone you but for blasphemy and because but for blasphemy and because you being a man make yourself God. Yeah, share infoni ben na John a chachre in terms of Yesu Christo abra na wako sa ahuya here eyimuno infoni ben no chachre yan wa ha
ehun de wo Israel abakosem no waka busama o serious we process ya bokum this year waka de aye ebusida because wo nyina wo nyim de nyame nkotin aye yeneja awosor ono pe no fata osom ono yokese obiatu fano fano to nyame And indeed, said, don't to Yamia, I was there. And that's the Yamin could see what more, you know. Say ye there, Master Maria be, and I may be, and I'm to me, ya, it was some, sir. And it's now, all cadet the beast, no, or ye was there. The actually, there, friend, then, or just some, do tumpo, or cadet, or zi, a manful, another the bonnet, or Yenina, it was there. Now, yes, you could see which my admiring. And it's now Israel for answer, I can cancel making can you know. Now, what a chain there. Now, a mere man, because I don't know yes, who me, a mere man, S. A. Yame, and it's never see what. Oh, you see, that's how serious they took it.
Yes.
But Jesus, all the tune, the Oyame. And it's now, or you name Zian or the Yame affirm. So, yes, John 14, verse 19. Philip beside Jesus, as some there, on Chen, a Jan. Next section, Philip, when you want to answer, I would never do you. Ehuma, Jan. Yes, something or two or jet to them, the yes or ye Jan, because he had authority and so.
Yes.
Before Biano or said with Sinabu. Yeah. Because Elie Busede. That's how serious Busam was. But yes, you get to yes, and to them or the Boniche.
You made us
Amen. Although for Onyame asem na ba ho ene. Onyame asem says, what Tim near na twintwɛn wona ase ma bie wakoma mu na onyankopɔn de opesa oyɛ no ana ma opesa otu no ti onyame ne yesua desua a yehu sɛ onyankopɔn akyekyɛ ne mam onyankopɔn sɔ ne ma no obronsam so sɔ ne ma no yenam onyankopɔn asɛm so ɛnam Bible so akyerɛkyerɛ die ɛkyerɛ sɛ obi yɛ onyankopɔn ba yɛsan akyerɛkyerɛ die ɛkyerɛ sɛ obi a onye onyankopɔn ba ɔsom aboa no ɔsom obronsam na asɛm a onyankopɔn nam abɔfoɔ so ɛka kyerɛ ɛwɔ Revelation 14 sɛ wote saa asɛm wie na wowɔ saa ɔsom a ɛnyɛ die onyankopɔn yɛahyehyɛ no a ɔhyɛ ɔsɛ firi saa som nom ɔsɛ firi Babylon na bɛsom no onyankopɔn nko a na ɛtim de bɔne kyɛ onyankopɔn nko a ɛna demand say ese som no na desua no kyerɛ sɛ sɛ yɛde yɛho nyinaa ma onyankopɔn na da bia yɛtena se abrabɔ pa ɛwɔ gidie mu no na onyankopɔn hyɛ yɛden sɛ eduru mmerɛ a awieye brɛ mu na sɛ yɛde tuo gyina wo so sɛ wobɛsom onyankopɔn anaasɛ wobɛsom aboa no a ɛnam ɔdɔ a wowɔ ma onyankopɔn nti wobɛtumi agyina ama onyankopɔn.
Amen. Yo, mesdames ase abusiafoɔ adehye kronkron mo nso yɛbɛda mo ase sɛ mode mo afidie ɛde ato ha se adesua ɛtɔ so dubaako ɛna yɛde abrɛwo no onyankopɔn ene obonsa onyankopɔn so ano ne aboa no agina ɔfɛn di kan na de abrɛ next week nso yɛde de ɛtɔ so emienu no ɛbɛbrɛ so pɛsɛ wɔnti ase ni ewie mu didi ana kyɛ next week de no menyi hu mfrim sɛ na ɛbɛya ɛnti ase no ɛbɛtimi awie emu de onyankopɔn ɛnhyira mo babia mo biara na hobrase mo katowani na mema Israel nsanhyira so ɛmai
yo egya me da wase wonsema ba yɛn ho na nsame no mu yɛduru oye hu ye yemu binum bobo ye hu me yer sro nyame hye hinzinae
amen
mo tum me hye no do mo adom ondo so me hinda me de bia ote no na okwa ote dam na etum ye dza no ombo ye no hu osane yimde Yesu o hinafa Jesus ya dawase wa adom nti amen.